Ladies, this one is for you. Devoted Conference is coming up in October and we cannot wait. But that means you need to get your ticket, and you need to get your ticket soon. So head to our website and make sure that you get yours ASAP. And don't forget that the Spa Day is happening as well later this year in November. So if you want to get a ticket for that, then get it quick because there's limited spaces. But first, get yours for Devoted Conference. It's going to be a good one this year. This one is for anyone out there who wants to aspire to be a preacher. Maybe you've done some preaching, maybe you want to hone this craft and this gift of yours, but this is for you. We've got some preaching workshops that are going to be happening over 3 evenings on a Thursday night, and that's starting from October the 12th. So mark that in your diaries if you want to come along, but you also need to sign up first. Spaces are limited, and I've been told the number, it's limited. So you've got to sign up on our website or via Church Suite if you want to be a part of those 3 evening sessions of our preaching workshops.
Only Jesus, only Jesus.
Don't forget, guys, that this week it is Connect Groups. See what I did there? Yeah. So make sure you connect in with yours. And guys, that's all for XL News. So have a great week.